How to add clips on iMovie. In this video, I'll show you how to add clips to your project in iMovie, whether you are on Mac, iPhone or iPad. Let's jump in. First, remember that this app is not available on Android device, so on your iPhone, iPad or Mac, click on search bar and open iMovie. Now select the project you want to work on or start a new movie project. After that, to add clips, click on Import Media. You can select this plus icon on your screen. After that, click on Videos, Photos or Albums. You can select videos from your desktop downloads or external drives. Once selected, click Import Selected. Now just drag and drop the clips from the media library into the timeline. You can place them any order you like. Next step is to rearrange your clips by dragging them left or right and trim them by clicking and dragging the edges. And that's it. This is how you add clips to your iMovie project. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.